A strange incident occurred in Iranian airspace involving a US Air Force military reconnaissance aircraft and a passive defense of Iran. According to several Russian sources, the American reconnaissance plane Lockheed E-3P Orion entered the airspace of Iran and stayed for at least an hour. Iran is not using an air defense system or any other missile defense system to open fire on the American violator and attack him accordingly. According to Russian sources, the reconnaissance plane carried out a reconnaissance mission in the Strait of Hormuz and entered the airspace of the Islamic Republic. Military experts say Tehran's passivity is understandable only if they have used an American plane experienced bunny and tested an electronic system to suppress the American intelligence radio signal. However, there is also a mirror possibility. The US reconnaissance aircraft could be equipped with an electronic air defense jamming system to jam the Islamic Republic's radars. Whichever of the two cases is true, there was a distortion of the radio signal, which led to the wrong positioning of the actual location in the aircraft's air. This incident is not an isolated case in which an American military plane is alleged to be violating Iran's airspace. In mid-June 2019, a US military transport plane with 35 US troops and escorted by a drone also entered Iranian airspace. At the time, Amir Ali Hajizadeh, Iran's air defense cousin, said Tehran had the opportunity to shoot down the plane but chose not to do so. We could have shot it down, but we didn't, because when we shot down the drone, we sent a warning to the American terrorist forces, Hajizadeh said. However, Iran did not show passivity the same year when it shot down an American reconnaissance drone that entered its airspace. Thank you everyone for watching this video.